All right. This 6 weeks, we're going to be working on the Concert Tour Desktop Publisher simulation. Basically, what we're going to be following is this notebook, this book that you're not supposed to write on. Be sure you take good care of this. This is a class set. I use it every year. I have been known to make students buy me new ones if they wrote in it or messed it up. So please take care of the ones that you have. Now, let me see here. Let me go to the introduction. So here's basically what you're going to go by. This is what you're going to pretend this whole 6 weeks. You've started your own music band. Your band has spent the last 2 years out in your parents' garage playing, practicing, and writing songs. Unfortunately, no one has noticed. That's where the Concert Tour Desktop Publishing simulation comes in. In this simulation, you will get your bands out of the garage and into the public eye. So to achieve success for your band, you'll be asked to create a series of promotional documents to give your band a professional image and get it noticed. By using your creativity and desktop publishing design skills, you'll be taking the stage, performing a free concert, and gaining publicity, receiving a recording contract, and eventually taking your act to a national concert tour. So you need to start practicing an instrument for this project. You have to learn an instrument. I'm just kidding. No, we're only pretending to be in a band. If you want to be in a band, you can practice and learn an instrument, but it's not going to be graded. All right. So by completing the projects in this simulation, you will fine-tune your desktop publishing, creativity, and design skills and learn what it's like to market and promote a real product, your own music band. So theoretically, you're going to this 6 weeks, you're going to be working on some of these projects. A lot of these things that you're designing for your band could be applied to other businesses like restaurants or design studios or lawyers' offices or businesses, because they all have logos, they have business cards, they have letterheads, envelopes. You have to do flyers to try to advertise. So a lot of these things can be applied to other things. So if you ever own your own business, you can remember back when you did this, and you already know how to do it. So some of the skills you're going to be drawing on throughout the simulation is creating your band name and logo, learning about page layout design, graphic images, text, creativity and imagination, writing, critical thinking, advertising, marketing, and stuff like that. The first thing you're going to do is use the band planning form that I passed out. And you're going to basically fill that out, and you're going to answer all the questions. You're going to brainstorm on several names that you might name your band. And then you're going to be sure you fill out everything completely, even come up with a fake address, fake phone number, fake email address, fake fax number. And then finally decide what your final name for the band is at the bottom. And this is an easy 100 as long as you complete everything. You need to make up band member names. They can be your friends, or they could be family members or people in this classroom. Yes?
Can it be a famous person?
No, it needs to be like average people. You can't be famous from the beginning. You're kind of trying to build it all up from the beginning. So throughout this 6 weeks, you're going to start off today getting your band name approved by doing the band planning sheet. You're going to do a logo research assignment, researching logos from the last 20 years. and then you'll design your own logo. Let me finish showing you a few more things. Throughout this simulation, you're going to be following along with this band in the book called Stonehenge. It's a band created specifically for this simulation. They'll serve as your tour guide for throughout this simulation by providing you with sample documents for each project. So you won't have to, like, from scratch, make it up in your mind. You'll see an example that Stonehenge provided, and you try to create your own design based upon some of the stuff that they offer. But you're not supposed to copy their graphics or images or wording. You're supposed to come up with your own. So it kind of has a fake Stonehenge band, how it was formed. You can read that. It has members of Stonehenge. They have a fake biography about each one. Future and stuff like that. So I would read about the elements of well-designed document. Make sure it's attractive, pleasing to the eye, so organized, self-explanatory. This page 19 is really good. It has tips about knowing your audience, using white space. Don't make it too crowded. Typeface and fonts. Keep everything in proportion. Use margin and spacing wisely. Choose the right graphics. Proofread. Make sure everything's spelt right, and you can revise and change things. So it's divided in several parts. Some assignments take longer than others. Like if you look at the top, it'll tell you like how long you should spend on each part. Like getting your band approved, 1 hour. You're not going to have to do the memo. I'm not going to make you do that. But designing a band logo is the first one, and I'll talk in more detail about that in a little bit. 1 to 2 hours. But that's pretty much it. You see the Stonehenge examples of their logos? Well, throughout, you'll have like a Stonehenge example of a business card, their letterhead, envelope, and so on. So you're going to use this book as a guide to help you. So you're not having to think of it all on your own in dimensions. It's going to tell you exactly how to do it. The main thing that you need to make original is your logo. I would spend the most time working on that logo because you're going to use your logo throughout every assignment. And your logo is going to determine your color scheme, the mood, the layout, the type of font you use, and all that. So make sure you spend a lot of time on your logo and make sure it's well designed, because that's going to be the centerpiece of everything that you turn in. But that's basically the introduction to this simulation.